Oh, all right, guys. So what we're doing here is we're just trading in the direction of the momentum. It's a very simple strategy. The strategy side of this is how many trades and how much account risk that you're putting yourself under. So in this case, we're going to be taking 5 trades, win or lose, it does not matter. We're taking 5 trades and we're going to see what results that yields. Just going with the clear momentum. As you can see here, momentum is clearly to the upside. We've had a bit of a pullback, so we're buying it with that momentum here. Momentum also to the upside. We had a bit of a pullback, so we've bought it, and we'll see what happens. Out of 5 trades, you only need 3 to profit in order to be profitable. If you get 3 profits out of 5, you're profitable, and that's good enough. You can never profit every single trade. It won't happen. So as long as we can profit 3 out of 5 trades, we'll be happy with that. We're taking 1-minute trades, and we're looking at the 30-second chart here. When I am trading, I usually like to trade a lower time frame than my expiry. So if I'm doing a 1-minute expiry, the time frame I'm going to use is a 30-second. There we go. First 2 trades are profits. Now we wait for the next 2 trades, and we just want to be going with that momentum. I'm going to take a trade there because I'm expecting that it will break. I'll do the same on here because I could potentially see a break to the upside happening. So we've got another 2 entries in. Let's see what happens. If one of these trades profits, we have ended in a profit for the 5 trades, and that is good enough. And it looks like they are both going to be profits. So that's 4 profits out of 5 trades that are secured. We are ending in a definite profit, and this is just to show how simple trading can be made. The key here is to not overtrade. So we've set ourselves a limit of 5 trades. That'll avoid the overtrading. Then what we're doing is we're simply just looking at where the momentum is and going with that momentum. It's very, very simple to do. It doesn't require tons of technical analysis. Look, if you wanted to get very technical, you could, and it would probably improve your win rate. But this is a simple video just showing you how simple this could really be. So we've had 4 trades so far, 4 profits. This is the 5th trade. It's the last trade. If this one profits or loses, it doesn't matter. We're ending in profit. And this one does look like it's going to lose, which in a way is good because it can show you how the market can act. It shows you that nothing is a sure thing. There will always be losses, and I'm okay with that. I'm completely calm about the fact that there was a loss in those 5 trades, because at the end of the day, over the long period, we are going to remain profitable with a good win rate. I hope that video helped. If you have any questions, please comment, like the video, subscribe for future binary options tutorials. If you are interested in learning how to trade binary options properly, do consider checking out our Viper binary strategy. It is the real way to trade binary options, and it is highly effective. If you're interested in this, go check us out, www.traderoomsessions.com. All the information you need is on the website.